Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shortcodes in WordPress. Shortcodes are incredibly useful tools that allow you to embed special content or features into your posts, pages, and even widgets with minimal effort. Think of them as shortcuts for complex functions. Instead of writing many lines of code, you simply type a short, bracketed tag, and WordPress does the heavy lifting, replacing it with the desired output. This makes content creation much more efficient and accessible for everyone. To create a basic shortcode, you'll first define a PHP function that generates the content you want to display. This function will return a string, which is what WordPress will output. Next, you'll use the add shortcode function to link your chosen shortcode tag, for example, my custom shortcode, to your PHP function. It's best practice to add this code to your theme's functions, PHP file, or a custom plugin. Shortcodes become even more powerful when you add attributes. These are like parameters that let you customize the shortcode's behavior or appearance. For instance, a button shortcode might have attributes for color or text. Inside your shortcode function, you'll use shortcode ats to define default values and merge them with any user-provided attributes. This ensures flexibility while maintaining control over the output, offering many customization options. Finally, let's explore shortcodes that enclose content. Unlike self-closing shortcodes, these have an opening and closing tag, such as my wrapper your content here/my wrapper. The content between the tags is passed as an argument to your shortcode function. You can then process, modify, or wrap this content with additional HTML or styling before returning it. This method is perfect for applying specific formatting or adding interactive elements around user-defined text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.